auto processor for a Polaroid camera with the original box. And we got some coffee mugs over here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. That's how we find them, people. Filthy and dirty. Now the goal is not to get all that junk inside. What do you think's in there, Chachi?
Toaster, man.
A toaster? You need an iron. I don't think it's an iron, though. I think it's going to be something cool, hopefully. Alright, so we're making our way back. Saw those stuff over here. Black spray polish for Valet automatic polisher. These are some old cans. I wonder if they still work. Oh, something came out of it. I don't know. I don't think these are any good anymore. Probably gonna go garbage, see what we got in here. Some kind of bag. Oh, we got some vintage toys down here. Disney. It's a button holder. Let's see, a belt buckle on a belt. Look at that, Chachi. Can you get close in there? Little Pony Express. So. Little nylon 8-track. Just a hodgepodge of stuff. No rhyme or reason. Typical storage locker. See what we got in this one here. Oh, look at this. Is that a dog toy? No, look at it. Happy Children. Looks like a dog toy, doesn't it, Chachi? So this is a nice vintage piece made in Massachusetts. So I would say 60s, you know. Still works in the original package, $1.29. Happy Children. Soft squeeze. We got take some glass and stuff in here. Oh, what we got in this one here? Look at all that milk glass. All different pieces. So probably a lot of it's Westmoreland. They got a lot of the glass. This box underneath here. Oh. Got Niagara Falls vintage pencil souvenir flag. 100th anniversary of Beaver Falls Centennial, 1968. That's pretty cool. Especially if you're from Beaver Falls. Little heart. Here's a vintage Care Bear. Oh, it's not even a Care Bear, it's a rip-off one. Looks like a Care Bear. Got some beads. Bottle. Got a little star. And there's my spirit animal. The who? The owl, that's right. Spirit animal. Look at the wiener dog. Little tray there. And who knows what's underneath all this. But there you get to take a look. So we got some stuff there. Milk glass. And got some books here. Little Stephen King. Christine. We got Nightwing here. Some other soft cover books. Looks like we might have a Polaroid. Look at that. Auto processor for a Polaroid camera with the original box. And we got some coffee mugs over here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. That's how we find them, people. Filthy and dirty. Now the goal is not to get all that junk inside. What do you think's in there, Chachi?
Toaster, man.
A toaster? You need an iron. I don't think it's an iron, though. I think it's going to be something cool, hopefully. Woo! What? Check it out, Chachi. That looks nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh! It gets better, Chachi. Brand new. Oh!
Yeah,
What? Check it out. Oh! It keeps going! It keeps going, dude! Look at that! 4. Brand new. Glowing brown. Oh, the unit starts getting a little better. You just never know what you're gonna find. Look at that. I mean, even at 20 bucks a piece, that's 80 bucks for the box. Do the math on that one. Wow, that's cool. Now look at, we got a whole stack of boxes there. I'm sure we can't get that lucky again, Josh. Should we try one more box for the people?
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah.
I mean, you don't want to stop it where it was, like perfect. All right, one more box. This is the box underneath that one. They did pack everything nice. Woo! Look at that. So we got a little vintage map. USA puzzle maybe? Oh no, look at it. Little game. Now we got a puzzle down here. We got Trivia Adventure. Man, this game is heavy. Another puzzle. A little magic copier machine by Tyco. And then look at this little vintage piece. Toot a Tune. Sounds like a circus. Wow, pretty cool. They have a little music on the back. I always like to see if I can find a date. It was made in Hong Kong. Printed in the United States. It's definitely a vintage toy. So kind of a cool box. So I guess we're kind of 2 for 2. What do you think, Chachi?
Yeah.
Should I count for 2 for 2?
Yeah.
All right. Chachi says yeah, so I'll agree with him. I don't like to disagree with Chachi. He gets angry. Not like Josh angry. Not like the bearded wonder turns into the incredible bearded hawk. Should we try one more? Can we go 3 for 3? We'll try until we lose, okay?
All right.
It's like gambling. We're going to push our luck.
All right.
This might be a loser. We got a little book from the 80s. It looks like all puzzles. Not horrible, but not that exciting. So we're going to keep going. We're going to start loading some of the stuff on the truck that's good, and show you anything else that in the locker here. And I know there's got to be some more good finds in this pile. And Chachi and I are going to finish filling up that dumpster. So we'll be right back with more fun. All right, we're loading up the truck here. Found a few little things here. So Chachi opened this up, and it's a whole nother button collection in there. And look at that, it looks like a giant, oh, it's a necklace or something. So who knows what's, you gotta search through here, but stuff's falling out, it's so packed full. So we got this whole little thing we gotta look through. That was in the same thing as this little thing. It's a little wood sewing box. Kind of has a little few issues, but we're gonna try to save this piece. In here, little old radio, and then Chachi found this. Looks like we got some more jewelry in here. Nice piece of costume down here. Another necklace. Some more costume jewelry. Empty. This is full of some costume jewelry in there. So we'll have to go through all this stuff. Maybe we'll find a piece of gold. We already found some silver. I know last time we found some gold. Genuine crystal little earrings. Some mid-century modern clip-ons. Little tie clip by Swank. That's an old mother of pearl pin. So, who knows what other treasures? Found these cars. So, starting to load up some stuff, some more treasures. There's definitely some cool stuff in here, definitely some garbage in here, but once again, it's part of the business. And as you can tell, we're almost there. Chachi and I made a lot of progress. The dumpster's about full. I know we did find some more old postcards. Got all kind of old postcards in here. I know we found more than just these. We just keep missing placing those, and found this cool little elephant. It's a planter, 1950s. Probably made in Japan. Found this right here. Canadian Forces. I've never seen a Canadian Forces one. So, and who knows what else, you know? I mean, there's cool little things like this Sunoco tour mat. This little cool eagle. You can hang your bath towel on there. And just like this old chain here with the pulley. So if you look at this chain, it's old. So it looks like it's hand forged. And like I said, there's more treasures than trash. We'll find them. We're going to keep digging. And all this stuff will be coming up in auction. Let's go to secondsense.com. And don't forget to like our YouTube channel and put the bell to get your reminders when our next video gets posted. Thanks for watching. We found this box here, a little warmer on it, but then underneath, so we got some newspapers. Back when Mark McGuire was hitting the home runs and everyone was loving it. Then we got some old Triumphs over tooth decay, old advertising here. Look at this, Colgate. Saturday's Post, 1923. All kind of old. There's another Colgate. People like dental stuff. Toothpaste, the easy way. Look at that. 1926. This whole thing's just full of old advertising. Then we got some Across the Bridge game and some other games down here. So pretty cool little box here. Look at this toothpaste one. Really cool. Lots of people get credit for being cheerful when they are just proud of their teeth. Just wonder if this person was a dentist here. So, got some vintage papers and all that. Chachi. It's all going in there. And we got lots of stuff. We've been filling up the dumpster. In the unit, we got a little bit of stuff left to go. You can see lots of garbage and debris, but we got this box down here. We don't know what it's in here. We got a tote or two left that we don't know what's in, but other than that, we found, we came, we conquered in the dumpster. I gotta go jump on that, make sure it's not above the line. And we're getting close to out of here. Not close enough though. Chance to see what's in this box. See if we can get it open. Nope. Here, let's try. Let's see what we got here. Garbage. Looks like some toys. So the little receipt box, duplicate, walls. Looks like we got a radio, phone down there, old bowls. What's this? Just a plastic bin. Nothing too great in here. An old beer bottle, inflatable. Seagrams, no. Alright, That's all we got, Chachi. Snacks, chips, and pretzels been repaired. This is good. Get y'all this chips. Yeah, they can fight it, but this is the dumpster, and as you can tell, nothing sticking over the top. Nice and full, packed down all the way across. So we appreciate the Hales for letting us use the dumpster. Man, that's a lot of less stuff that we got to bring back to our place, that's for sure. Chachi, what do you think?